Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, allow me to introduce myself first. My name is Hilma Mulisa and my student number 53. And she is my friends.
My name is Cynthia Fujilustari and my student number is 008. I am from TBAGA.
Now, we will tell about the result analysis of the text, and the title is Why We Should Not Compare Ourselves with Others. Okay, let's get started. The thesis of this text are the reasons why we should not compare ourselves with others. The first paragraph tells about there will be always someone better than our. It doesn't matter, but it is always true. The supporting idea, the last paragraph. You can be an incredible architect and the best your generation, and this can make you feel incredible good. But if someday someone is better than you are, you could feel sad, although you are still the same incredible architect than you were before. The second paragraph, we will always find someone worse than our. The supporting idea and the last paragraph. If you are the second best of student in your class, and one day the very best student leaves the school, you will then be the best one, although you are still only as good as you were before. The third, if we want to be better than the others, we don't need to improve ourselves. We only have to make the others look bad. The supporting idea, if I want to be the leader of the group, but you are the leader now, what I need to do is to make you look like a traitor or stupid, and then I can take your place. Then I will be better than you. The fourth paragraph tell about stop comparing ourselves. Supporting idea on the last paragraph. Nobody knows the internal reality and the story of the other. Please stop comparing. The last paragraph tell about when we do, please be ourselves. The supporting idea, if we copy someone, we don't know what we want and we love. So, please be ourselves. The text use appeal to emotion because the writer demand that we should not compare with others, and we must love ourselves and be ourselves. Rhetorical strategies are used argument because many sentences based on the argument the writer, and then mode of analysis of the text are used comparison or contrast and illustration because the writer writes illustration on the supporting idea. However, every paragraph refers comparison. Kinds of reasoning psychological are employed because the writer explains the supporting idea about psychology like mental health based on the writer's experience.
So the next, in delivering argument, the writer used deductive reasoning. The writer reveals the main sentence at the beginning of the paragraph, and then the writer developed theory about mental health, especially how to maintain our mental health by not compare ourselves with others. The readers may become biased by the text because the writer quite good at playing and leading the argument, so the readers attracted by the sympathetic sentence. The text gives reader strength and quiet to love themselves. I think it is a powerful text. The writer not specialize the kind of readers, so everyone can read the text, especially for they whom always compare themselves with others. The writer gives readers a lot of reasoning. Each reasoning has good explanation. The writer explains coherently and connects each sentence with the main topic smoothly. Also, the writer provides example of the reasoning in the reality. This makes the reasoning provide support theory. But for the evidence, I think the writer needs more valid evidence and give the source of the evidence, not only example in reality because the example cannot represent fact. It can be biased and subjective. But I love how the writer consistently convincing the reader by continuously directing the point of view of the reader to follow the writer's theory. And then I think the argument is related and mutually reinforcing. All of the theory are quite strong. The theory gives reader new information and new insight of how we should treat ourselves better. It helps us to love ourselves more by not comparing us to others in a bad way. But there is one weakness about the theory. It says that comparing ourselves to others doesn't help us to develop ourselves as human beings. But in reality, comparing ourselves can be a good motivation to develop ourselves. But should be noted that the comparison must be in a positive way. In the text, there is one combating theory. When we compare ourselves to others, we can do others' act and copying them. But this theory was broken by the writer. If we copy others, then we can be the real us. It can make us obsessed with others' achievement and not focus with ourselves. The theory that the writer gives are logic and can be provable, not like competing theory. The competing theory already been disputed by a more logical theory by the writer. So I think that's from all. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.